The biggest issue with the use of hand sanitizers during the pandemic is the impact on the environment. Our environmentally friendly hand sanitizer products solve this issue. Hi, I'm Andrew from Hygieia, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Today I want to show you our eco-friendly hand sanitizers from Vision Shuffle. It's the world's first aerosol soap system, made of 100% recyclable aluminium can. This cuts down on plastic pollution. The aluminium canister is more environmentally friendly than traditional single-use plastic bags and bottles. With a wide variety of dispensers available, our sanitizers work in the office, in the workshop, in the washroom and outdoors. Our hand sanitizers come in 3 different types: foam, mousse and a spray, so we can tailor it to your needs. Finally, the way that the aerosol has been designed means that we use all the product in the canister, cutting down on waste. This revolutionary system has been a huge success with all our customers due to its simplicity, reliability, cost effectiveness and the positive impact it has on our environment. If you have any questions about our hand sanitizers, drop us a comment below. I'm Andrew from Hygieia, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Our hand sanitizer... Yeah, as if I'm going to spiel that out. The negative impact it has on the environment.
Positive impact.
Oh, yeah. The majority of plastic bottles are made of plastic.